So to make this, here we have taken an old pot, we have painted it with a layer of white paint. Then we have traced the eyes, nose and its mouth. We are going to paint the eyes with black paint. Make other features and outline it with black paint first. Tongue with red and give some more features. Give some dots on its body. Then we have taken these two foam sheets. We are going to attach these and we have painted with white paint and also given some dots. Also the ice cream cups and given the shape of the paws. So this one is ready. Let's move ahead. To make this hen, here we have taken an old pot. We have applied foil paper in the shape of its head and tail. Apply a layer of wall putty on it and smooth it. So similarly we are going to cover the whole, the tail also. Now we are going to paint it first with white paint. Apply a layer of gesso if you want to and make other features. Make its beak with yellow and other features with red and black. So we are going to cut it. After this we have applied the layer of wall putty on it. And made the mouth. Then we have painted with white acrylic color. Now we are going to make the face of the Mickey Mouse. Here we are making the Minnie Mouse. So we have painted the skin with skin, eyes with white and pupil with black. After this, outline it with black paint. Like this, outline this. Then we are going to make its nose. On the bow we are going to paint it with red color. Paint the whole bow with red color. And our Minnie Mouse is ready like this. We have planted a money plant. After this we have taken this plastic container. We are going to cut its lid and then we are going to paint it with acrylic color white. We have applied the layer of gesso first. Now we are going to paint the face of the penguin with white color and the whole rest of the portion with black acrylic color. Then using wall putty, we have made its eye, mouth and feet. We are going to paint its feet and its mouth with orange color and then we are going to make its eye. Like this. And our cute penguin planter is also ready. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care.